Hey, what up everybody, this is TM, and today I'm bringing you a video on are eBay cases worth it? So as we all know, we have cases on eBay that go from 3 to 2 to $1. So $1 cases, are these cases worth it? So for example, I have this case right here. It is available for the Galaxy S9, S8, S7, S6, whatever the phone you have, there'll be an eBay case for you. iPhone users, Android users, all of the phones have eBay cases available, and most of them are pretty cheap, like this one that I bought for $3, I think. So having bought a Spigen case more than $20 on a single case, is an eBay case worth it after this one? I don't know, I'm gonna be testing out, but let's take a look. Okay, so this case feels really soft, and of course this is not carbon fiber, but it looks good and it is going to match my wallet. So I have this and this on carbon fiber. It's gonna look pretty good. Now only the car keys in carbon fiber just to match with just to match the theme. Okay, so let's see how this looks in the phone. So actually this Spigen case had an aluminum, actually not aluminum, it was plastic all the way on the edges, but it broke when I dropped the phone. So as you can see, it broke the screen also. Now the question is, did the Spigen case protected my phone? But to be honest, I don't think it made a difference. This is just a metal plate that I use to put my phone on the car magnetic stand. If you want a video on that, please let me know in the comment section below. Both of them have the shock absorption pattern. If this does anything, I don't think so. It's pretty much the same and probably all bullshit. So let's see if this fits the phone nicely. Okay, so as you can see, it looks pretty good on the phone, and it has a good grab. So I'm gonna be using this case and seeing if I see any difference between this one and the Spigen $20 case. I don't think I will. It is not worth to buy $20 cases, I don't think. Now bear with me, because I'm gonna be telling you my two top things that I need on a case. So number one, the case needs to have a lip that stands out of the phone so it doesn't touch the table. That's one of the things I like. I don't like my screen to scratch the table, even though it's the Gorilla Glass whatever. So that is the first thing. The second thing is button click. So I hate those $1 eBay cases that you have to press so hard, like the buttons stop being clickable when you have the case on. They're not buttons anymore, they're like exercise for your fingers, and I hate it. I definitely hate it. If I have to put the volume up, I need to put in a lot of force just to get the button in. And that is something that I did not notice with the Spigen case on. The buttons were so clickable that it was actually a joy just to press the buttons. So that was one of the best things about getting a $20 case. Now, if you can find that on an eBay case, yes, but you're gonna have to try different ones. This one actually ain't bad, but it could be better. So this is the truth about eBay cases. They're cheap, they will protect your phone just like the other ones, they look as good as the other ones, and if you scratch the case, you won't even care because you will just order another one right that moment. So those are the 4 things about eBay case. Let me know in the comment section below your experience with eBay cases or $20, $30 cases just like this Spigen one. Let me know in the comment section below if you use some of these and what are your thoughts. If you think like me, if you don't think like me, this is just my personal opinion on these cases. Yours can be different. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next video. This was TM, and I'm out.